You are going to love the 2019 Ridgeline. The Ridgeline was designed to give you exactly what you need to get the job done. And with Honda quality built right in, this truck can be with you for the long haul and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, bed liner, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start. Come see the car for yourself.